Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be completing a page in this colour by number book, but I'm going to be using diamonds instead of the usual pens and pencils. So this book is by George Tofexis and has pages designed on popular tourist destinations around the world. Let's have a flip through of the book. I think the page I'm going to do today is Dubai. The design is not as detailed as the others, so I should be able to fill this in with diamonds and it will still be recognisable as Dubai. I think if I choose something too detailed, like this page, it wouldn't work as well. You'd lose a lot of the detail and you might not actually see what it is. So yeah, let's rip this page out and get it set up. In the book, there's a little colour chart here. So what I've done is match some diamonds up with this, and I've copied this so I can easily view it when I've stuck the piece down. Okay, so I've got a sheet of double-sided adhesive paper, A4 paper. I'm going to stick it onto this, try my best not to get any creases in there. I ended up taking off this side, but changed my mind and putting it back on. I took off the harder side and stuck it down, so it looks a little bit mangled, a few lines and air bubbles in it. That bit is annoying. I'll also link all the supplies that I'm using in the description if there was something that you wanted to check out. So the diamond supplies, the book. Okay, so I've already matched the diamonds as closely as I can to the key and put them in these handy little pots. So I think we're ready to start putting the diamonds down in a second. And I've measured this out as well, put it into 4 sections so I don't lose the stickiness. I think I'm going to just start at the bottom and work my way up to the top. The first thing is just to cut this to size. I don't want to go too deep and cut through the paper though. And then I can just do that when I want to break. So what have we got down the bottom here? Number 8. I don't know if you can see that, so I will zoom in and get some better shots. Yeah, just fill it in as best we can, really. There's the first 6 down. I think it's important probably to do the bottoms first and work up. But yeah, you have freedom to sort of create whatever you want on this, I think, and do it any way you want and see how it turns out. Just a couple of things to share after completing the bottom. Because the book's not set up in squares to place the diamonds like you get on a normal diamond painting, it was a little bit difficult to fill in and I had to do a lot of fiddling about with them as well to squeeze some extra diamonds in. I found the best thing to keep the shapes as visible as possible was to outline them first and then fill them in. So far I'm happy with how it's going and love how the colours are bright. I will need to do something with the boat in a bit though. I've made a few mistakes with the colours. I got 3 and 5 mixed up somehow, and I put light purple and orange in the wrong numbers. Not sure how it happened. Also, I didn't account for how many diamonds I would need, so you might notice slightly different shades of blue, light orange and light purple throughout this page. Most of it, though, is in the sea or the sky, so don't think it's that noticeable, but let you know what you think. I decided on adding a little bit of white to the boat and the tower to outline it to make it stand out a bit more. And one of the birds was a little bit too small for the diamonds, so we've now got 2, but I think they turned out all right. I've kept the white part of the sky blank because I liked how it looked. Okay, so let me know if there are any unusual art supplies you'd like to see me use in this book. I was thinking I might try Neocolor 2s, or just try the usual colouring in alcohol markers, colour pencils, that sort of thing. But let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by pressing the like button, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.